Students, let us first start this new lesson, Simple Machine, with the first point itself. What means machines? Machines are the objects or things which make the work easier, with less efforts and faster. The things which make the work faster with less efforts are called as machines. Machines are classified under two groups, simple machine and complex machine. As I have explained you what is simple machine and complex machine, simple machines are the machines which are made up of one or two parts. They are called as simple machines. Secondly, the complex machines are not like simple machines. They are made up of many parts. For example, a bicycle consists of many parts coming together. They work together. They have tires, they have chain, they have seat, they have a carrier, they have a basket and many different parts which work together for the processing and the working of cycle. That is a complex machine. On the other hand, if we consider a simple needle or if we consider a simple bottle opener, they are made up of only one part itself. So that is a simple machine. In our day-to-day life, we use simple or complex machines depending upon the task to be carried out and time and efforts required to do it. The next point is an inclined plane. Let us learn something more about simple machine. You can see a wooden plank is placed beneath the truck. There are three conditions. Condition A, condition B and the third condition. There are three trucks shown to you in the figure. In the first figure, the plank is little bit longer as compared to the second figure. The plank in figure B is smaller as compared to the plank in figure A. And in the third one, there is no plank. After taking into consideration all these three conditions, condition A, condition B and the third one which does not have any plank, we have to find out who would find the drum heaviest to load. Obviously, the third part, the figure 3, will find the load heaviest to lift from the ground to the truck. Since there is no plank, the girl is unable to load the drum to the truck. She has to lift by herself with her muscular force, with her muscular energy, and then only the drum will be placed into the trunk. Little less efforts will be taken by the second figure, that is condition number B. The first figure, condition A, will require the least efforts as comparing the rest of the two. Since the plank is longer, the boy will simply roll the drum and easily he will be able to place the drum from the ground to the trunk. In the condition B, he has to apply little more force as compared to condition A. Obviously, since the plank is smaller and it has the inclination more, the plank is steeper, so he has to apply force little more. And what about the third one? The girl has to lift the load, the girl has to lift the drum, and then only she will be able to place the drum into the truck. Next one comes is the structure of a screw. How is the structure of a screw? Or you can also consider a spring. The structure of a screw or a spring is in a such a way that when you rotate the screw, it will go inside the wall or the wooden plank, right? So that means after applying less efforts or less force, the work is done easily. Not simply hammering. Hammering of the nail will require more force, more efforts as compared to the rotating of screw. You must have experienced the roads of the ghat. How are the roads of the ghat? They are constructed in such a way that the roads are around the hilly area, around the hills, so as to cover the distance within less efforts. Though you will require more time, but the efforts will be needed are less. Next comes the Archimedes screw. The structure shows you that if you rotate the handle shown on the top of the Archimedes screw, if you rotate it, the water present to the lowest part will be taken to the top. That means if you just rotate the cycle of the Archimedes screw, if you just rotate its handle, what will it do? It will take the water from the lower part to the top part. In less efforts, just by rotating the Archimedes screw, you can take the water from lower part to the higher part. That means instead of taking buckets or instead of taking containers, you can do this work in less efforts. This is the Archimedes screw. The scientist who made this principle was a Greek scientist whose name was Archimedes, and therefore it is named after his name, Archimedes screw. Thank you.